At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit, my people. Listen, man, me did want to come out earlier, come drop the video, but you have to remember, say, I'm a working lady, you know what the things set already, and I'm always in accident and emergency, and I always do long hours, you get me? So only when me get the time, me can drop the video them. Sometimes when we see me come out and just a drop video back to back, that means, say, I'm home or me do somewhere, understand? But I don't work me there, but right now, you have to bear with me, my people. A whole heap of information. You know, so me have to do my research before me even run out and pure things. But just bear with me, all right? Anyway, my people, we are get right into it because the Senate on Friday approved the bill to make Portmore, Jamaica 15 parish amid concerns from the Electoral Commission of Jamaica, ECJ, that the proposed boundary may breach a constitutional provision. The vote followed a marathon debate and split along party lines, with government senators in support and opposition senators rejecting the measure. So my wisdom warriors, you know say me talk about this before. However, when me see them pass the bill, I was so gobsmacked. Seriously. These are the type of lawmakers who break the law. Them shouldn't even have the option to do these type of things. Yeah? Them shouldn't even have the option to make these type of decisions. No way. Somebody like Andrew Holness nothing have no option to do these things, no authority to do these things. Andrew Holness is not fit to remain as a prime minister. He is not fit. And what them a do, I don't like it because them a break the constitution. Remember, you know, them always a break the law. You see, if that was us, I mean, at Labour Right and PNP, if anyone away break a stoplight, you know say that a problem? You know they know that? Say that a serious problem. So how comes this no go for Andrew Holness? How Andrew Holness can break rules and regulations and get away with it? And you have the dirty police then just sit down. Just sit down and run up and down behind Andrew Holness, PP, clock, and then do what they're supposed to do for the law of the lands. Eh? What is really going on? Jamaica, wanna see? Wanna really see what is happening? No, man, me can't believe so Jamaican people just sit down so. Wanna just sit down so. Nobody now fight. What? Wanna not understand what is going on? Wanna really not understand what is happening? Wanna really allow Andrew Holness to play about with the constitution? Do as them like and get away with it? You know why Andrew Holness have a whole away like idiot? Because they know, say, we not do nothing. And majority of the people, they don't even understand. And you know what? I want the well-thinking Jamaicans, I want to know if rally behind Mark Golding. Because I say Mark Golding a fight. I want to know rally behind Mark Golding. And I go ask you this. Where is our warrior spirit? Where is it? We always a fight for our country. What is going on? What is going on? What is really happening? How comes this prime minister getting away with all these things? Listen, this not look good enough. Remember, say Andrew Holness not care about nothing in Jamaica. Andrew Holness is a corrupted man and he doesn't care about nobody. This man make everybody a look down upon we. This man, Andrew Holness, make everybody a look down upon we. He is a disgrace to society. He's a disgrace. And when I say on a Labour writer run behind Andrew Holness, I have to wonder if on a blouse and skirt alright. Una alright? Una alright? Or una no nonsense? Huh? What is wrong with Uno? What is wrong with Uno? Mighty God, we are going to suffer underneath this Jamaica Labour Party, you know. We are going to suffer under Andrew Holness hand, you know. Hey, I'm sorry for Uno, seriously. But I'm sorry for myself more because through me a Jamaican, me in a it because I can't take out myself. Me blouse and skirt. It come like we fighting a losing battle to blows and skirt. Jamaican people, they say, if we not get up, you see, if we not rise up, me attack labor right and PNP. Labor right, you know, what I do, you know. You know what I do, you know. Act like you don't have sense, and brother. Act like you don't have sense. Because you can't have a corrupted man like Andrew Owenless with thief charity money and thief taxpayer money. And you sit down, so. And I said, Andrew Owenless giving you 20,000 on alright. Hello? My wisdom warriors, I want to take in Peter Bunting. Hear this.
The opposition will vote against this bill. And we will not stop there. We will fight it in the court of public opinion. We will take this issue to the people. And if necessary, we will challenge it in the courts. This bill is an affront to democracy, an insult to the people of Portmore, and a disgrace to the principles of fair governance. We say to this government, shame on you for attempting to turn back the clock on Jamaica's democracy. Shame on you for trying to manipulate the electoral process. Shame on you for thinking the Jamaican people will stand idly by while you dismantle the democratic safeguards that have protected our nation for decades. This is not just a political fight. This is a fight for Jamaica's future. And we in the opposition will stand on the right side of history. We reject this bill, we will resist its implementation, and we will defend Jamaica's democracy with everything we have. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Bunting.
So my wisdom warriors, when you hear what Peter Bunting say, I totally agree with Peter Bunting. But I believe they shouldn't start. Well, I don't know if them start look into it already, but I feel like they shouldn't start it up already. You understand? Because I did know say Andrew Owenless did I go. Then did I go put it through anyway. You understand? I didn't know say them I go do it. Andrew Owenless is a lawbreaker, I know. I want PNP to understand this, you know. I want Labour right to understand this too. I want the well-thinking Jamaicans to understand this. Andrew Owenless always break the law and he gets away with it. He always get away with it. And every time when he break the law, Mark Golding always bring him to court and PNP always win. You understand me? Them always win. So we are going to see how this one going to turn out because Andrew Owenless, he's just a selfish man and he doesn't care about the people. Even though for some reason the Labour right, them things say Andrew Owenless like them. But Labour right pity uno don't even know. This bigger than uno. Uno hear me? This bigger than uno. You think I really Jamaica alone, Andrew Owenless want control? Andrew Owenless want control the whole Caribbean. That's why everything you see he run up in. Everything them put to him first one run out and say yes. Remember good no? Remember good. My people taking this. So Nationwide put out this, my wisdom warrior, saying that there is a call emanating from the Parliament for the Mayor, Organised Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA, to probe Labour Day spending by the PNP controlled Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC. Government Senator Abka Fix-Henley made the call in the Senate on Friday. Senator Fix-Henley also renewed his call for the resignation of PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell and Mayor Andrew Swaby. My wisdom warriors, wanna listen to this? So wanna see how the Labour right them lie. Wanna see how them lie. Remember say Marlon run out, and I talk about how the mayor thief how much money missing and how them under probe. Remember say Nationwide come out here, and say the same thing, Remember good Nationwide came out and say how MOCA investigate KSAMC. Then if MOCA investigate KSAMC, why would Fitz-Henley Abka where one name come out and a call for MOCA to investigate KSAMC? This don't make no sense to me. My wisdom warriors, this makes sense? Remember say Nationwide came out other day, And Nationwide say Mocha is probing KSAMC, them under investigation. Remember good, Nationwide came out. So how comes Abka run out now and a call for Mocha for probe KSAMC? Una see say them a liar? Una see that door? A pure lie them a tell pan PNP. Here is the proof. Here is the proof. Can you imagine? Me really not understand these people. Boy, Jamaican people, listen to me. Do not listen to Jamaica Labour Party. Them are blood breakers and them are liars. You understand? And they no mean uno well. Remember me at half of the press tell you that. Andrew Holness and the administration don't like Jamaican people one bit. He hate the labor right them. I pay tricky all the labor right them. So I want everybody to see what these people doing. Marlon just come out and I tell one bag of lie. One bag of lie. No, sir. How this I go put on you? If you stay in a power and be president, you not go work, you know. You not go work. Because once Jamaican people unite and stand up, this can't work. This cannot work. Come in and know how Abka him a run out now. And I call for Mocha when they already say Mocha is investigating KSAMC. Una say them are friggin' liar. Boy, these people can't be trusted. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what una think. Una tell me how una feel about this. Put una honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.